Alright, so I'm about to microwave our whole dinner tonight. Please don't judge me. I got these baked beans that I put in there. I'm going to use this roasted chicken rice, which I'm going to put in here for it only takes 90 seconds. So I'm going to put it on 90 seconds. And yeah, I'm putting on 90 seconds. Yes. And oh, I need to turn it to something else. Okay. And then I'm about to warm up this let me show y'all. Cause I got everything discombobulated here. This chicken, this whole roasted what's these things called? Rotisserie chicken from Walmart. That's what they're gonna eat tonight for dinner. I want to make sure they get full tonight, but it's gonna be something quick because I have a lot of cleaning to do around the house still. So I got to make them something quick. And a lot of people want to get on here and judge people because they don't cook really big meals every night. They don't cook these grand meals every night. I make sure I cook pretty good every night, but tonight I did not cook. I made something very easy tonight. Cause some nights you don't. Some nights you need to just sit back, and some nights you could be able to eat out. Some nights we eat out. Some nights we don't. But most of the time I cook. I'm into cooking, y'all. But this is some really good rice. This is some roasted chicken rice. It comes with like carrots and herbs. Let me show you guys the bag. It's really good. I got it from BJ's. That's where I got it from. I'm sorry, y'all gotta hear that screaming in the background, y'all. What's the matter? What you need, baby? I got you. You gotta eat before you eat yogurt, okay? Okay, guys, so this is a whole microwave meal. I had to make this meal like this tonight because I am tired and I got a lot of cleaning still to do. Okay, guys, so I haven't did a laundry routine with you guys for a long time. So I got some clothes up there washing. The laundry detergent that I'm using right now is the All Stain Lifters Oxy. I got this All Stain Lifter Oxy is because it was on Ibotta, and you know it was on Ibotta. I can get cash back for it, and it was another reason why I got it too. It was another reason why I got it, but I got a bonus for this because I got all the all products from off of that Ibotta, and the dry sheets that I'm using is these Gain Fresh Waters, which I got from Dollar General. They had a game deal, and I got a whole bunch of dry sheets, and I have I got a whole bunch of dry sheets with that deal. I got some what's those things called, the scent boosters too. I got a lot of those too with it. Y'all, it's been a heck of a day for me. I'm trying to take my time because my baby, he is asleep right now, taking a nap. So right now while he's napping, I'm gonna try to get a little done. Tonight I'm gonna make some rotisserie chicken with some well, the rotisserie chicken is already made. I got it from Walmart yesterday. We ate the lemon pepper one yesterday, and tonight I'm gonna make I'm gonna let them have the garlic one with some rice and some baked beans. You know, just throw something together real quick because I didn't feel like doing, today is Tuesday, and I didn't really feel like doing Taco Tuesday because, you know, we eat tacos all the time, we eat nachos all the time, and I'm like kind of over it. I'm kind of like over it. Y'all, I got these towels from Walmart. They are really thick, really thick. They were like $3 something a piece, $3 a piece, and I only got a couple of them. I just wanted enough for my household, and they are really thick, y'all. Really thick towels. I mean, really thick, y'all. They are really good. I love a thick towel. When they start to wear down, that's when I get some more. But I don't want to I don't like wasting. You know, I really don't like wasting. Y'all, this is my infamous dress that I always like to wear. I know y'all seen this on a lot of my vlogs. But it's a real comfortable dress, so I really like wearing it. Really comfortable. I just got so much work to do. I got a lot of work to do, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fold this stuff up first. Hold on, guys. I got a lot of work to do because I like for my house to stay clean, and sometimes it can get out of hand in here because the babies, you know, they are babies, so they like to get around, and they like to do a lot of different things. And I hope that when I do these laundry routines, I really hope that I motivate you guys, because that's the whole reason for me doing it, is to motivate you guys to do your laundry too. If you got a pile of laundry sitting somewhere, I want you to get up and do your laundry. Because when your house is clean, you feel better about yourself. Like, you feel so much better about yourself. So that's why I'm just trying to clean right now. So maybe for my birthday I'll get relaxed. I don't know. But that's what I wanted for my birthday. My birthday is coming up. I'm turning 35 years old. I'm so grateful to be turning 35 years old. I'm grateful that God blessed me with 4 wonderful children and some bonus kids too, because my fiance has other kids too, and I love them just like they are mine. You know, you have to be loving and kind to all people, for real, y'all. Spread love and kindness everywhere, y'all. And I'm just grateful for everybody in my life, y'all. So grateful, y'all. Anyways, y'all, I'm just so grateful to be turning 35 years old. Lord willing, I will be 35 April 15th. I didn't even know that was in between it. April 15th. I'm so excited about that, guys. Just to be up and living, you know. And sometimes life is hard, but you gotta continue to push through. Y'all, this YouTube thing is hard. I'm gonna continue to let y'all know that it's not easy. It wasn't easy for me to get to the place I am now. Sometimes I get discouraged because I really want to be farther than I am, but you know, whenever it's my time, it'll just be my time. You know, I just got to continue to put in the work, and one day my channel is gonna take off farther than I ever expected it to take off. You know, and some people haven't even made it as far as me, so I have to be grateful for that. You know, you have to always be grateful and thank God for what you have, and don't focus too much on what you don't have. Just thank God for what you do have. Be grateful for what you do have, guys. And that's what I try my best to do all the time. Sometimes it gets hard, you know, because you want more out of life, but what I'm going to do is continue to work harder and do, you know, more research and try my best to just get better at things and continue to get better, and it'll work out, you know. It's not something that I'm going to stress myself over and worry about, because worrying and stressing, it's going to take up a lot of my day, you know. And God only give us, you know, God giving us time, and I don't want to waste it. Whatever time God is giving me on this earth, I don't want to waste it on worrying and stressing. And sometimes I do get stressed out, and sometimes I do worry, and I just go and meditate and pray, and so many things that I do, y'all. But y'all, I know this is TMI, but I know this will help somebody. I have I used to have really, really heavy menstrual cycles, and this would help me not to have more heavy cycles. Like when that time comes, I feel like you should eat a lot. Like you should eat lots of fruits instead of eating a lot of meat. You should eat fruit because fruit helps, you know. And the fruit that I do eat that I notice that helps me a lot is pineapples. It really helps me a whole lot. And like cramps and stuff, like it helps so much, y'all. It helps a whole lot. And I've been seeing that I've been having shorter days. I haven't had like these really long, extensive cycles. And it really helps a whole lot. I'm sorry to the fellas that's watching this video, but maybe this can help your significant other or something like that. You can tell them about the things that's working for me, and maybe it'll work for them. So just want to put that out there. It helps me a lot. And I've been drinking a whole lot of water. Water helps a whole lot. And what I've been doing is drinking water, making sure I drink me some water when I wake up and water before I go to bed. And I've been really cutting back on how much I've been eating and trying to stay away from bread as much as possible. I eat bread, but not a lot of bread anymore. I used to eat a lot of different bread, snack cakes and stuff. I order snack cakes for my kids, but I won't be eating as much of those, you know. And if I do eat at nighttime, late at night, I eat fruit. I eat fruit or either some soup or something. If I do eat like late at night, and it won't be a whole lot. And I drink a lot of water. I told y'all I had a whole lot of laundry to do. But I'm determined to get this laundry done at least before my baby boy wakes up. Y'all look how, can we admire how thick these freaking towels are? They are so freaking thick. They are really good towels, y'all. And I'm trying to keep up with them because these kids, man, baby, these kids do not play the radio with me. Do you hear me? I'm always watching. But I don't really complain about that because, you know, it could be, you know, a lot of people don't have a machine to wash their clothes in. A lot of people have to go to the laundromat. And I know that can be really frustrating for anybody who has to go to the laundromat. But I do like that music that they play at the laundromat now. I ain't gonna tell no story now. That music that they play at the laundromat, it's some really relaxing music for real. And some music that I haven't even heard for a long time that they play at the laundromat. I hope y'all don't mind my washing machine in the background, y'all. I'm sorry about that. But you know, it's a part of this video that's gonna be on there. See, I wash these. These like my cloths that I clean around the house with, so they're not gonna be as clean as the other stuff. But I'll wash this stuff over and over again, y'all. I'm always washing because I like to make sure my stuff is clean. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys the fabric softeners that I really like to use. I'm gonna show y'all that. I like this Snuggle right here, and I really like this Moonlight Breeze Game. Oh y'all, it smells so good, and it makes your clothes so super soft, especially any kind of Snuggle. Like that Snuggle is the truth. Do you hear me? It makes your clothes super soft. And I like to use these Downy Unstoppables. I like to get these when I get my 5 off 25 on Saturdays. So, you know, I don't feel like I'm spending way too much money. Or I use it when they have a coupon with it. That's the only way I use it. Y'all gonna see some other content coming because I found a different way to make money and shop, and I'm gonna show you guys. I can't wait to show you. I'm coming, y'all. And y'all, I'm gonna let my fiance use these, because when I tell you these smell so good, I think he would love the way these smell. But y'all, it smells so good. This stuff really keeps the stuff fresh and clean. It's nothing like some clean, fresh clothes, y'all. Nothing like it. I'm telling y'all. I love it. I love some clean and fresh clothes. When I tell you, yeah, it's like it set the mood for the day. You got on some clean, fresh clothes. You feel clean. You look good. You know, with your clean clothes. Yesterday, I washed a whole bunch of rugs. Yesterday, I washed a lot of our rugs in this house yesterday. I washed a lot of rugs yesterday. I washed all my little rugs that I got from Dollar Tree. I washed those too. I love the jeans. I love some ripped jeans. They are so cute to me. I just love them just for fashion. I love a ripped jean. So I don't bend down too much, y'all. Yeah, I got so much work to do, but I love it because it keeps me busy. Because I think of positive things when I'm cleaning and stuff, y'all. I just love when I have a lot to do. I love to stay busy, and you know, as long as it's productive and not just, you know, you're not just in the same direction. It's a difference, you know. Man, these kids are almost out for school. They're almost out for school. I'm excited about that. I'm excited for not having to wake up so early in the morning to have to wake them up for school. But I have to finish my registering. I have to finish my process with their homeschooling for next year. I'm doing it now. I don't want to wait till the last minute to do that because I want to make sure they get in and make sure they have everything. See, I had already started the process, so I'm not playing around. I'm not playing around. And I know that I have to make things a lot better and make it a whole lot more structured around here because it's going to be a different homeschool setting next year. And I feel like it's going to be a much better homeschool setting because the district is doing this homeschooling that they are in this year, and it's like something new for our district, but they're going to be going to a different, you know, homeschool, you know, not with the district, you know. So I just think it's going to be a lot different, and I want to make sure I'm a whole lot structured and stuff, and I want to make sure that I'm doing things the right way when it comes to my kids and their schooling. Like, I don't play when it comes to my kids and their schooling. They are doing really good in school, and I don't want to mess that up for them. My daughter has a test the day of my birthday, so I have to make sure she goes to bed on time, make sure she has a really, really good breakfast that morning, even though I always make sure that, but I'm going to make sure she's extra good that morning, you know what I'm saying? Because she got testing, and I'm not going to play around when it comes to her and her testing and stuff. I want to make sure everything is good with her. Y'all, I am almost done with this basket, y'all. See, that's why I love doing these videos with y'all, because y'all help me get my laundry done. Y'all help me get all my laundry done. I'll see y'all on the next video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment under my video, share my video out. Please hit that thumbs up, y'all. It is very important that you guys hit that thumbs up and share my video out, because sharing helps. Sharing and thumbs up my video is just what's more important to me, to be honest. And I just appreciate all you guys who do share out my video, and guys who do come back and thumbs up my video and talk to me in the comments. It really means a lot to me, guys. I'm about to film another video for you guys, so you guys stay tuned. So I'm just getting these, I'm trying to get these videos out here for y'all so you guys can have lots and lots of content to watch. I don't want to never be backed up so y'all don't have content to watch. So anyways, I see you guys in the next video, and I love each and every one of y'all, and I appreciate you all new and returning Dream Team members. All right, y'all, I love y'all.